Hey, and welcome to Alpha. So, I have now just had a live session trading binary option live, and you can follow these trades together with me. So, if you did not see this live session, probably you have not turned the bell notification on, or you are not even subscribed to my channel. So, make sure you do that. Also, when you join my live sessions, it's much more fun if you have the same broker like me. So, make sure you join with the link you find below the video, so you at least have a demo account. But if you want to put in real money, make sure you use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Now let's take a look at the trades I just have done. But before I do that, a reminder, I will have another live session today that will not be on this broker, will be on another broker. You find that broker also below the video. So make sure you sign up with that broker also. It's the first two brokers you find below the video. That's the two I'm trading with. Okay. Now let's take a look at my trades today. We did today take 12 trades. We can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winners out of 12. That is quite decent. We did turn a profit of 455. But we also, every time I'm trading, I earn some cash back. That's the number you see up here. This is not all from this live session. This is also collected through my sessions I did while I was on vacation. I'm back in the office now. So let's collect this big amount here now. 234. Let's push. That will be added here now. So let's add 234 on the balance. That means we made a profit of $689 today, and that is amazing. So, once again, I will trade live again on this broker again tomorrow. Make sure you sign up with the broker below, and also make sure you join me on the second live session I have. That will be for this broker number 2 that you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you later today, or at least for my live session tomorrow. Let's make some money together.